Or is it a combination of both?
I kept that in.
That's ready?
Hey, eat that. He likes it. Hey, Mikey.
Ready?
You just don't like the spoon. Jason, Mac will eat this, no problem. Eat that. Yummy. Let's see what Mom's doing here. She's putting her finger in the bowl. There we go. Finger in the mouth. Go ahead.
No, wait for the tongue to stick. Your tongue. I need the invitation.
Look at all the stuff on his face there.
Hey, Jason. Y'all done?
I think I see him giving us the finger down there.
How do you really feel?
One more, okay? One more. One more for Dad. Here we go.
It's like a venom. Get that out of my face. Hi, Jason. Hi, sweetie.
You hit that one.
Hi, cutie patootie.
Yay!
Did Mom confuse you? That mean mama. She's so mean. Okay, it's enough. It's enough. It's enough.
Alright, fine. You feed yourself.
Do you want to come out and eat the rest of your dinner? That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
It's a big ray for Jason.
Yay, sweet potato.
Nice job. Thanks for playing.